The Farmer and the Wise Bird. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green hills, there lived a kind hearted farmer named Ramesh. He worked tirelessly on his farm, but no matter how hard he worked, his crops barely grew, and he struggled to make ends meet. One day, while plowing his field, Ramesh noticed a beautiful golden bird trapped in a net. The bird's feather shimmered in sunlight, and it chirped desperately for help. Ramesh felt pity for the bird. Poor creature, you must be terrified, he said gently as he fed it from the net. The bird fluttered its wings and looked at Ramesh with gratitude. Thank you, kind farmer, said the bird in a melodic voice. I am no ordinary bird. I am blessed with wisdom and can grant you one wish for saving me. Ramesh was astonished but replied, I don't need richness or treasures. I only wish for my land to become fertile so I can provide for my family and share with the others in need. The bird smiled and said, your wish reflects your kind heart. From tomorrow, your fields will yield abundant crops. But remember, greed can undo even the greatest blessings. True to the bird's words, Ramesh fields began producing bountiful harvest. Over time, he became prosperous, but never forget the bird's warning. He shared his harvest with the poor and continued to live humbly. However, a wealthy merchant from the village noticed Ramesh's newfound success and became envious. He sought out the golden bird, captured it, and demanded, grant me unlimited riches. The bird sighed and said, very well, you shall have as much gold as you desire, but beware of your greed. The merchant scoffed at the warning, dreaming of endless wealth. The next morning, his house was filled with gold. Overcome with greed, he demanded more and more until his home could no longer hold the weight of his riches. It collapsed, leaving him with nothing but regret. Meanwhile, Ramesh continued to thrive, his generosity bringing him respect and happiness. Moral: greed leads to destruction, but kindness and contentment bring lasting rewards.